So I've been thinking about like the meaning or the definition of a pilgrimage. And of course you could ask ChatGPT and you could I'm sure there's no shortage of books that would tell you what it is and why one would decide to go on one. But I've been thinking about what a pilgrimage is to me. And I think I have my answer. and it came to me as I was trying to make my way up this really steep mountain. All of a sudden, it's like I heard, this is what a pilgrimage is. It is deciding to consciously face whatever may come along your path, and whether that is a steep mountain or a beautiful waterfall or bears or whatever comes, it's meeting that with presence and opening yourself up to receive lessons, insights, realizations from nature. And when you slow down and when you're present with the pain, the struggle, the beauty, the joy, and everything in between, it's where you learn how to live, how to let go, surrender, and open yourself up to connection with yourself. And by virtue of doing this, you invite connection with everything that exists. Which includes the unknown. And it's a really beautiful thing when you learn how to walk with the unknown and find joy there. And grief. But you can't have one without the other. So That's what a pilgrimage is to me. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to sharing what I discover along the way. All the best to you. Bye-bye.